Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'll be showing you all how to play Wetin by Burna. I'll be teaching it from the live version that they did on Tiny Desk. It's a really great show, so I'd say go check it out. Yeah, so the song basics are pretty simple. It's just 3 chords that kind of repeat and loop throughout the entire song. So those chords are going to be your E minor 7, right, D major, and your C major. Back to your D major, and everything just starts all over again. Alright, so I'll play it through a couple times. So this part is what you're gonna hear in the intro. Right, and this is what you'll hear inside the rest of the song. So that's the entire song, really, at its core. So what I'll do for the rest of the video is kind of break it down more, show you little chord variations, little things you could do to enhance your playing of the song. So yeah, so starting off with the first chord, E minor 7. That's like your A minor down here, open. Slide it up in about the 7th fret. Take off your pinky. Give you a 7 chord. Alright, so what you're going to be doing with this is like some hammer on, hammer off action. So what you do is, you're going to be minor 7 chord, right? You're going to take off your ring finger and the middle finger, right? But keep barring the rest of the chord, the rest of the strings, my bad. So you have that. So what you're going to do is you're going to play those strings, strum them once, and hammer on the rest of the chord, okay? So after you do that, you play one more strum, and you kind of relax your fingers on the fretboard to kind of get that sound, right? So we kind of just make a little staccato, okay? And you're going to take your fingers back off. You're going to play this once, play it again, and on the second time, you're going to hammer back on the chord, right? So all together. Okay. So after you do that, come down to your D chord. Alright, it's like an A major shape. Okay, slide it up. You're gonna bar 4, 3, and 2 with your ring finger on the 7th fret. Alright. The 5th fret of the 5th string, sorry. Be careful not to get this high E in here. If you do want to play with the high E, you have to play it with this shape. And it doesn't matter if you get the high E in there on the 5th string, on the 5th fret of the top string, sorry. Either version works, it sounds fine either way. Okay, but the way the guitarist plays it inside the video is this version. Okay, so so you come down to the D, do 2 strums. You wait a little bit, come down to your C. It's the same thing as the D chord, just move it down 2 frets. You wait a bit, then you do 1 strum, okay? Alright, so you have that's the intro. So what you have to the rest of the song in the loop, it starts off the same. Alright, so after you play your D chord, you go straight to the C chord and strum down once. Right? And right before you leave the C chord to go back to the D chord, you do a quick little strum. Okay? And you go to the D chord. And you play like a kind of half strum, so really just hitting either this string by itself or this string and this string, the 5 and the 4, so the half strum. And then you do a full strum of the chord right after that. right? Right, like that. So all together. Okay, so that's pretty much the entire song. The guitarist, he'll do like little variations to the chords throughout the song. So, for example, what he'll do is right after the intro, he'll start off like this. Right? So what he's doing there is like, you have your open C shape down here, right? Normal C. And you just slide everything up 2 frets to make it a D, right? What you'll have to do is mute this string, the 6th string, mute the 3rd string, and mute the 1st string, right? So kind of lean your hand down like this. You kind of block the string. Same principle there. You could use your thumb to kind of just mute the string or just don't play it. You just slide it down for the C, slides it back up, like that. So. Okay, that's one variation. Another variation you'll see him do is it's gonna look like he's doing this. I assume he's using his thumb to mute the 6th and 5th strings. So what you're doing here is it's pretty much the same chord right here, but without the bass note. So it's like this. So you just bar the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, which is index finger. And what I kind of do is lift my finger up at the end so that this string here is muted, right? And what you could also do with the top of your index finger, just kind of have it kind of like graze the 5th string, sorry, to kind of mute that as well. So that you only get these 3 strings here in the middle, the 4, 3, and 2, right? Like that. So that's one variation that he also does. Right, so another part that you will see in the right at the start of the 2nd chorus, you'll see the kind of whole band break down and follow along with the melody for like the start of the 2nd chorus, so that right. So yeah, the guitarist doesn't actually do anything in that part, but me personally, I like to just play along, you know, have fun with it. So if you want to do that, you could play 7th fret on the E string twice on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, back to the 2nd fret of the 1st string once, and once on the 10th fret of the B string. And for the Wetin man go do part, you play twice on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, once on the 7th fret, then come to the G string, once on the 7th fret, once on the 9th fret. And you know, if you want to add some flavor to it, the way I like to play it is okay. Okay. So the only other part is in the outro. I guess you could call it that. He plays the same chords, but he plays a different variation of it. Specifically, is this E minor 7. So it'll be E minor 7 like this, barring the 12th fret. But you'll only be working with these bottom 4 strings. Okay, so bar all of those, and you're gonna kind of use your pinky to play off of this 14th fret. Okay, you do it any kind of way you want to do it. And you can play this type of D string, D chord, C, or if you really want to, come lock down and play it normally. Okay. Yeah, and like with that part, you could just improvise, have fun with it. That's the entire song, really. So yeah, I guess that's a fun song. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all later.